Hi and welcome to the wasteland of Fallout 4. In this video we're going to look at a couple of practical robot designs or builds using the new robot Workbench from Automatron. Now you can mess about with the Workbench a fair bit, but at the end of the day there's probably not a lot of practical robot builds that you're going to end up making. So the first one I'm going to construct is a new Automatron, and it's going to be used as basically a settler. So sometimes you need a couple of extra settlers to do various things like work in the shops or grow food or whatever, and don't have enough, so you can now make them. So we're going to call this one Joe. That'll do. There we go. And that's all we want. We want a really basic automatron.
This unit is ready to serve.
Time to hit the road.
So we've built him, he's our follower. Now we're going to command him. Get him to hold still for a sec.
Hey.
Affirmative.
Talk.
I need to ask you something.
So what we want to do is we want him to
It's time for you to go.
be the staff member or be assigned to a shop in Sanctuary Hills. So we send him there, which we're already at. Enter the workshop. Command. And we're going to assign him to the bar. There we go. So that resource is now got somebody assigned to it. And basically we built a settler with our robot workbench. So that's pretty handy. Now if you just get out of the way, we'll build another different design. Now there are two mods you can put into your robots that are pretty handy. The first one is, we'll just put it on Codsworth. Do it in torso. I think it's torso. I can't put it in him. It's interesting. Let's see who I can put it in. I think I can put it in Ada. Ada is the companion you'll get in Automatron. Torso. That's it. So you can put on her the hacking module or the lockpick module. So if you hate those two mini games, one or the other of them, you now have a robot companion who can do those on your behalf. So in her case, I've got the hacking module, and we will use her to hack a station. I'll quickly show you how that works. Okay, so here I am not far from the Drumlin Diner, where a set of power armor is contained in a cage. I want to get to it, but there's a terminal, and I cannot hack terminals at all, except for novice ones, and I don't like even doing that. So I'm going to use Ada with her hacking module to do that for me. So I click A for command.
Yes, sir.
Tell her to inspect the terminal.
Think you can unlock that terminal?
Certainly. Let me get that terminal unlocked for you. Decent
Leave her
security,
to it.
but I don't think it should keep me out. Maybe if I tried this. All done. You should be able to use the terminal now.
Alright, so now I can hop in. Open the door. And there we go, I'm in. I didn't have to do any work, so that's handy. So that's the second design. After building a robot settler, you can now have a robot hacker as a companion. So let's go and make a third design. Okay, so I've fitted Ada now with the lock-picking module. So I switched it over from the hacking module, and I used that hacking module previously to open an advanced terminal. I haven't found an expert terminal nearby that I could test, so I don't know if she can open that or a master one. But let's see if she can open an advanced, an expert lock.
Think you can unlock that?
This lock appears to be a bit tricky, but I'll do my best. There we are. unlocked as requested.
Okay, so that's pretty good. So she can do expert locks, so I assume then she could do expert terminals. I'm assuming, but I haven't tested, that she cannot do, or that module cannot be used to unlock either master locks or master terminals. I haven't tested it yet though. So that's 3 different practical uses of the robot workbench. So let's go and tinker with a 4th one. Okay, here we are back at my robot workbench. Now if we look at Ada, we can see that she can only carry about 170 weight. That's not too bad, but it would be useful to have a robot that could carry a lot more. So we're going to leave the station and we're going to switch to Codsworth. There he is. And we're going to rebuild Codsworth so he can carry an enormous amount of stuff. So let's change his legs first. So he's got Mr. Handy thrusters at the moment. But look at that, Sentry legs, it pushes his carry weight up to 315. So let's do that. Add some extra storage plate. Storage armor on his legs. Oops. So we already got him up to 380. Let's see if we can push it even higher carry weight. So I don't think we can do much else to his legs. His torso, can we tweak his torso? I can't build him a Sentry bot torso. How good was the Robo Brain? No, not enough. Well, let's change his torso to... Well, we could just change it to storage armor, can't we? Get that up a bit higher. So now he can carry 440. I wonder if we can push it even higher. He's got arms. I'll give him an arm. Let's get the projector on left arm. No armor. And a projector on right arm. So now we've got to carry weight up to 540. I'm not sure if we can push it any higher. Any other changes there seem to make it go down. Let's have a look at our creation. And there he is. So there's the new Codsworth, designed for being basically a giant backpack, able to carry 540 weight. So if you need a robot companion just as a giant backpack, you're not interested in combat capability or anything else, that's another design you can build using the robot workbench. So that really gives you 4 different types of robots you can construct. We have the settler, which I've used over here to man my bar, staff it. I don't know where it's gone though. You can use Ada to lockpick and hack terminals for you. And you can also redesign your existing companions, such as Codsworth and others, to carry enormous amounts of stuff. You can also redesign their combat capabilities, but that's pretty straightforward. Okay, hope that helps if you're wondering what you can actually do that's practical with the robot workbench, and thank you for watching.